this is your tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you have already subscribed my YouTube channel. If you haven't, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so that you keep on getting regular updates of the videos that I keep on releasing. Friends, this is going to be a July 2020 prediction. Let's see what's in cards for you guys. Hi Pisceans, let's see what's in cards for you for July 2020. Friends, as you're aware, this reading is based on the sun sign, and it is a general reading, so you have to pick and choose the advice that relates to you most, because majority of people, many people fall under Piscean sun sign, and everybody is going through different life cycle in terms of their journey toward of life. So you have to pick and choose the advice that suits you most. We'll be drawing advice basis the cards that we have. So let's quickly start with your reading. We have what we have in energy oracle card. We have walking away energy in the reverse position. So the walking away energy is blocked in your energy segment. What does it represent? It represents that in coming month there is a blockage in terms of movement from in blockage in terms of movement. Now this movement could be like you were planning for going in a zone of self-exploration. So not that you were not comfortable where you were very comfortable in a luxury lifestyle, but then you wanted to you were seeking to explore something unknown, something new in your life, and you wanted to explore. It could be new subject, new relationship, it could be a spiritual zone, it could be new industry or a new job, but that energy, that exploration possibility is blocked in the coming month. That is, you won't be able to explore something new very soon. So nonetheless, let's see what other cards are suggesting us. We have in relationship 7 of swords in the reverse position. Now being a soul's card, it is a mental card. It says that in the coming month you are going to go through some mental issues in terms of your relationship. Now issues, I won't say issues because it is a reverse card which says that somewhere in the past you felt that somebody is stealing away the happiness, peace and completeness in your relationship. That stealing away was happening either because you were feeling that either your partner is cheating on you, or you were cheating on your partner, or somebody else is trying to fool around with your relationship, trying to create problems and otherwise. But now that situation is no more existent, so somewhere you have realized that you are comfortable in the zone, in the relationship that you are in. By comfortable, I don't mean that you're happy, but somewhere the fear that you had of losing your relationship to someone or somebody because of cheating, because of treachery, or because of fooling around with you, that fear is going away, and what is coming in is little bit of assurance that your relationship still exists. May not be in the best of the form, but it is still there, and it is still living, breathing and trying to make better connect with you. So yes, there are some issues which will be facing in terms of lack of confidence, or in terms of little misunderstandings, but they are not very major issues. So if you have had some misunderstandings, there is a more possibility that things will get cleared out, then new things cropping up. If there are old things still existent, they might continue for some time, but they will lose their strength. Yani agar koi if there are some misunderstandings, there were some misunderstandings, they might lose their strength, and slowly you will attain inner peace. You will have to attain inner connect and try to actually connect with the root cause of the problem in your relationship, rather than assuming that things are bad, things are worse, they are out of control. You will be able to take a grip of the relationship and slowly try to bring it on track. So I would rather say, rather than saying focusing on issues or misunderstanding, focus on the healing of relationships. Over a period, things will heal and fall in place. So if at all this energy of walking away was regards to your relationship, in some cases like where you wanted to move out of the relationship, but like it's too much and I really need to get out of it because things are not shaping up, or I feel that somebody is cheating on me, then this is the month where you will be reconciling or reconsidering, even though you are not 100% sure that about reconciliation, but you will be initiating the reconciliation and thinking and approaching your relationship in the positive way. That is what I can see over here. Coming to your career, we have Ace of Wands, very beautiful card. New opportunities around the corner, new revival of your work is possible. So either your current job is going to get revived, you might be given some additional responsibility, from unexpected source, or you might be getting some reward or appreciation for your work, not necessarily financial, but at least a recognition. If you were planning for a new project, new venture, new sales deal, or new assignment, then yes, you will be able to crack it and you will be able to sail through it very well. There is some unexpected business opportunity that might crop up in your life, and that might really change the direction for better for you. So overall, everything new, creative and positive is possible in terms of your career segment. Just try to think of a complete picture before accepting the new opportunity so that you don't make any mistakes. Coming to your financial card, we have Hermit card in the reverse position. Now this card suggests that somewhere you are not being guided properly by either somebody who is expert in the industry with regards to your financial investment, or your intuition is not guiding you well to plan your finances, which can lead you to losses. Just be aware of what decisions you make, be aware of where you are investing, what you're into what you're investing, and how you're taking things further in your financial segment. Try to seek advice from more than 2 to 3 people, so that one person is not controlling your decision, because they might or might not have your best interest. So somebody might be trying to fool around or misdirect you, or your intuition is trying to misdirect you. So just don't be dependent on one person to take financial decisions. Go with the flow of the industry, in things will shape up for you, but be sure that whom you're taking advice, try to take 2 or 3 people in consideration while taking your business decision or financial decision. Coming to your health card, we have Hierophant in the upright position, which says that you will be in the good condition of your health. It's not that your health is suffering. Spiritually also, you'll be doing well. Just don't cheat around with your health routine. Unless you do that, things will be in the good condition of your health. You will be able to manage and balance your health well. Coming to your chakra advice card, we have Power Chakra, that is personal power card, which is the solar plexus chakra in the upright position. So though you are going to face some problems here and there, you are still looking very strong and powerful within, and you will be able to access that energy to direct you in the future. The Chariot is the summary card for you. It is a very beautiful card. It says that you are going to go through the karmic transition. So you will be learning a lot, you will be going through a lot of ups and downs in different segments in the coming month, which is going to teach you very karmic lessons. So take it in the right way. They will be unexpected, sudden, acceptable at times, but the wise and matured way will be to accept it with the right attitude and learn out of it and move ahead in life. So overall, it is going to be a month of which is going to be a happening month for you. Just be on your right attitude so that you make the most out of it. Very good luck to Pisceans. I really hope that you have got some help out of this reading and you will try to utilize it to plan your coming month. This is a general reading, so if you are looking for any personal session, you can connect with me on my mobile number or on my email ID. I'm very active on Instagram and Facebook also, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well as Facebook page and my YouTube channel, of course. And help me help you by sharing your queries. If at all you are looking for any reading, you can connect with me there. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family, because they can also get benefit out of these, as these are free readings. Also, don't forget to comment on my videos. I look forward to your comments. They help me to get your feedback as well as your suggestions. I really hope this reading helps you to plan the coming month. A very good luck to all.